Video is all about the solutions to the error codes that appear when we copy files or transfer files from our Windows computer to an external hard drive. Like the two error codes now are being displayed on my computer screen. First of all, I would like to introduce some solutions that are applicable to both error codes. The WMIC check can help check the health condition of your external hard drive, and here's how to do it. You need to run the command prompt as administrator, and now type in WMIC and hit the enter key on your keyboard. Now you need to input disk drive get status. Now hit enter key again. If the result shows OK, it means there's nothing wrong with the external drive. If the reply shows unknown, bad, or attention, it indicates that there are disk errors or physical damages. Updating the disk driver can help you fix the error codes during file transfer. You need to open the device manager through the Start menu button. And now expand disk drives. Right-click on the disk driver and choose Update Driver. Now you can tap on Search automatically for drivers. CHKDSK is a built-in utility that can help you scan for and repair disk errors on the hard drive. You need to run the command prompt as administrator and input the following command: the actual driver letter, :/R, and you need to hit the enter key on your keyboard. Formatting the hard drive can fix a wide range of issues and restore its functionality. The formatting process will erase all the data stored on the hard drive. Be sure to back up your important data. Now here are the steps. You can open the File Explorer. Now right-click on the target external hard drive. Choose Format. Now you can choose the file system allocation unit size, the volume label, and tick Quick Format. Finally, you can tap on the Start button to format the drive. This chapter covers all the solutions suitable only for the error code that shows the request failed due to a fatal device hardware error. System File Checker and the Deployment Imaging Service and the Management Tools on Windows can help you check and repair corrupted system files. You need to run the command prompt as administrator. And now you need to input the following commands into the command window and hit the enter key on your keyboard after each. Outdated or buggy system could result in the error code, so you may need to update your system. You can open Settings and tap on Update and Security. In the left side panel, under the Windows Update section, you can choose Check for Updates. However, if there are updates available, you can download and install the updates directly. The Secure Boot on Windows protects your system against malware and unauthorized activities during the system startup, but this protective mechanism can be the culprit for the problems and error codes. So to solve this error, you need to follow the steps to disable Secure Boot. You need to restart your PC and continuously pressing the delete key on your keyboard until the BIOS page pops up. To locate the Secure Boot in BIOS, you need to enable the advanced mode and go to the Security tab where you can disable the Secure Boot. Disabling ReadyBoost is the only method applicable to the error code displayed on the screen. ReadyBoost on Windows can speed up your system using the free hard drive space. This may lead to the error code, and you can disable it to see if the error code can be repaired. And to disable the ReadyBoost, you can double-click on this PC and right-click on the target hard drive. Choose Properties and tap on the ReadyBoost tab and choose Do not use this device and click Applied and OK.